Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
I'm back with another video, y'all. Hey, tuning in to your boy Doing Lifestyle, man. Man, they got a party over there, god damn. So y'all, my brother just got his box Chevy LS swap, you know what I'm saying? I gotta go over there, I gotta show y'all. Mine is in the process of getting the LS swap also. So I got to show y'all what's done to his. And I don't know if y'all remember, but a while back in a couple of my videos, I had his box Chevy shown. It was the gray one, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't have no motor. And I was telling y'all, I said, man, he gonna put an LS motor in there soon. Now it's official, it's in, but I think he just got a little more tweaking to do. He gotta get it tuned, and the damn transmission, something wrong with the transmission. I think it's a 200R transmission. We got it rebuilt a while back, but it's not acting right. And man, y'all comment down below, see if y'all can help us out, man, before we see if we can go another route with this transmission. I bet this nigga got the mug in the garage. Bet he got it in the garage. Yes, sir. It's the mug in the garage over there. Y'all see it from the corner. Let me see. Let me pull up a little bit. I ain't seen that damn box Chevy so long. Yes, sir. All right, let me pull over here real quick. Say, my nigga, I'm gonna be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you. I'm with you. Y'all know we coming presidential style, man. Yes, sir. Boy, got them 30s on that bitch. What up, man? Man, I ain't seen this motherfucker in a minute. That bitch been in one spot the last time I seen it. You got inside clean. This thing work? Yeah. Huh? How much for? So I gotta find a box and everything for this motherfucker. I showed put one little amp on it. Yes, sir. I wanna pop the hood on it, mother. Damn, I'm gonna show squeak. Let's see here. Oh, wait. Damn. That bitch look good. Damn. Hell yeah. He mounted your computer. This I often say hot water heater. I mean intake. Damn. That motherfucker sound good. Got some damn turn down on that bitch. Damn. They want bullshit. Spark plug. That fuel rail you had to buy. Oh, I see it. That bitch crawled right on up too. That bitch crawled right on up. Damn, that bitch sound good. Hey, I just thought of something too. When you put those rims on there, and when you set this motherfucker right here in the parking lot, and when you crank it up, bro, it's gonna hit different. Them turn down, I don't know, it's gonna be something about them rims that's gonna make them turn downs sound like it should be on there. Y'all, I'm jealous like a motherfucker. I can't wait to give our shit back.
I should do that running right here.
Hell yeah. So I wonder what they gonna have to do to tune. Well, they probably gonna hook up to a computer and shit.
Yeah, you gotta hook up
To a computer and do all that. I wonder, I might still have that dude number that can tune. Damn, that bitch sound good. Huh? I ain't licking it. Oh, no, I ain't licking it.
You kinda need a ride on this low.
Oh. Probably is. I hope it's just low. Yes, sir, but I'm really gonna set it off. That means you gonna have to change this. There's a pinstripe in it. So that's now I gotta get mine soon, goddamn it. Y'all wanna buy a speaker? We like it live. I ain't never heard it. I'm gonna watch this anyway. It's 4 plus 4 plus 4. Them your old tires, ain't it? Oh shit, them motherfucker got some white walls, shit. Oh, them bitch a white wall too. Oh damn. Yup, you got all white walls, shit. They hard to find them. Yeah, he did everything right. We got all the. I wonder how in the hell they be sorting this shit out, huh? I wonder how the hell they be sorting this shit out. Oh, them must be your lights. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing these the battery. Okay. So they got them all labeled. Yes, with. So you bought cam, the headers. I mean the cam and the lifters. Them lifters, right? The lifters.
Cam, lifters. What else I bought? See, you got new oil pan gasket, head gaskets, remain seal,
headers, manifold. I mean the gasket.
Time cover seal, new oil pump.
Damn. Oh, 9 yards. Oh, that gray too, it look way better. That gray. Yeah. Controller intake.
Yeah, that was like $60.
Damn, they got that bit hooked up too. Yeah, he did a good job. He ain't got no wires and shit showing. He did a good job. Everything neat.
Tied in with this, I don't know what the fuck this is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is either. I think it's a light. Well,
Okay, this been here.
I don't think I did. Oh, damn. Damn, that's low beam?
Yeah, no beam.
God damn.
That still warmed up.
Ooh-wee. Them motherfuckers is loud. Damn, them bitch gonna be bright at night. Yes, sir. I'm tired of the same size of mine. No, I know they ain't. Them the size I wanted.
Yeah.
So you got a perfect size. Like how yours be round. I'm turning the light off.
Yeah.
I like how yours be round. How mine be round. But just a little something slight, man. We're gonna get right first. Shit, I just be doing mine to tighten them over here.
It do come in handy, though.
I
can't
swear.
say that.
Oh, wait.
Come in handy.
Yeah, that's sir, they do. You ain't had rims on this motherfucker in a long time.
It's been about.
I forgot what set you had. One of the set I bought from Arbor.
I had. Can't remember. I think I borrowed was I think them art ran off for.
Yeah, and I had bought.
I had the ones he bought from you.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, them bitches look good. Sir, we getting there, man. Built, not bought. Plus, this is getting out the mud. You know what I'm saying? This is something like took a minute. That motor seat in there good too. Screw some feet. Hold on, let me get on. Big heavy at motherfucker.
Yeah, it be heavy.
People don't understand. We ain't fuck with no 24. Dude, these different breed. It's a different ball game. Let me show you how I be getting that bit. Slide right there. Twist.
I ain't made that shit look good.
Zit. Pop them bitches on. Push it, P. Yes, sir. Don't you give y'all that presidential look, man. One guy pulled up. He was like, man, I thought you was the police. Like, nah, nigga, me. It look nice, though, man. I just had to show y'all that because we moving the car out the way, you know what I'm saying? See if we to get back to the box Chevy, man. Well, she mounted up, but we finna go ahead and crank this bitch up. Step out here, man. Y'all know how we do it. Y'all know y'all got them old school. Y'all know y'all know how it is when we got them old school, man. We like to sit back. We like to sit back like this when we in them old school. Cause they remind us of us. That bitch like a monster. Got a little more tweaking, y'all. A little more tweaking. Huh? Oh yeah. Right in here. A little more tweaking, man. And that bitch sounds good. Oh damn.
Glad I ain't crushed it, man.
Hell yeah, got the phones and keys up there, goddamn it.
I ain't got electric like you.
Oh yeah. No, I know. Got a little more tweaking on it. A little bit in the game then. I see what you feel. got them Browns on, goddamn. Some Pepsi uniform. Yo, what it do, homie? Y'all know I'm vlog. What's up with it? What up with it, B? Oh, man. Oh yeah, bro. Hanging in there. What's up with it, man? You all right? Oh yeah, man. You too, man. Doing the YouTube shit, man.
Coming down.
What up with it? Okay. What up, cuz? All right. Oh yeah. What up with it, dog? Good job. 5'3". Got a little cam in it. We just put the rim on. Yeah, we
top earlier, they had them up.
Oh, nah, we just put them on. Yo, we just put them on. Huh? Yo. They did a good job, though.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, I swear. In that cam talking that. She done woke up then, though. That cam done woke up a little bit. Yes, sir, man. We at the gas station with it, big dog. Yes, sir, man. Just got done running and see how it sound, how it run. Everything good. Everything good. Yes, sir. Back to the crib.